Can Alchemy Pay achieve a $1 value? Assessing Alchemy Pay's investment potential. The Alchemy Pay payment mechanism has two key benefits. The network allows customers to pay with either Bitcoin or fiat cash, with the freedom to choose between the two being a crucial determinant. This feature allows merchants to accept payments in their own currency regardless of the currency used by the payer, expediting the payment process and lowering the costs associated with international transactions. The Alchemy Pay's ecosystem includes several partners from the merchant payment developer, community user payment, and transaction service networks. The merchant addresses point-of-sale concerns. Gateway providers and POS systems. The developer community provides payment and marketing applications to users who have issues with payment addresses associated with cards. Additionally, transaction service networks cater to cryptocurrency and asset issuers. The platform also attempts to improve merchants' and customers' rights and influence inside the payment process, claiming that such characteristics are lacking in the traditional payment ecosystem. Alchemist Pay intends to establish a decentralized payment mechanism based on community trust and the use of Bitcoin. The coin under consideration is Alchemist Pay. The Alchemy Pay cryptocurrency acts as a medium of exchange inside its network, allowing for the smooth execution of transactions involving many currencies. Businesses use the system for network access because it runs on the Ethereum blockchain. Customers can acquire ACH through active network participation, allowing anyone with the token to participate in system governance. ACH tokens can be pledged, awarded, accumulated, and used as fees, giving them a versatile nature within the network. Merchants who use the Alchemy payment system can establish loyalty and rewards programs for their customers, with the ACH token serving as the designated currency for such perks. This strategy has the potential to motivate clients to use the platform and engage in further transactions with participating merchants. Through the process of staking their tokens, Alchemy Pay token holders have the opportunity to participate in network governance. By staking their tokens, they have the ability to exercise their voting rights on proposals and updates pertaining to the system. This measure can contribute to the preservation of network security, optimization of performance, and adaptability to user requirements. The current staking tokens. In conclusion, holders may be able to collect incentives or interest on their holdings depending on the specifics of the staking mechanism in issue. Given the high level of competition in this area, Alchemy Pay presents itself as a potential alternative for investment. Price forecast for ACH coin. Can Alchemy Pay obtain a valuation of $1 when ACH reaches a value of $1? Alchemy Pay would need to climb by almost 22 times its current value. Based on a comprehensive analysis of the available data, it can be inferred that there exists a moderate probability for Alchemy Pay to attain a value of $1 by utilizing a burn program that encompasses a range of 25 to 50% of the coins. Has the potential to increase the market capitalization to $5 billion. The current inquiry is about the price prediction of Alchemy Pay. The price range for Alchemy Pay over the next few hours is expected to be between 0.0147 and 0.0150. The price prediction for ACH coin pay from 2023 to 2030 is between 0.0147 and 0.0150. According to our calculations, the anticipated price for Alchemy Pay in 2023 is $0.0329. According to our calculations, the anticipated price for Alchemy Pay in 2024 is $0.0719. According to our calculations, the expected price for Alchemy Pay in 2025 is $0.112. According to our calculations, the expected price for Alchemy Pay in 2026 is $0.160. According to projections, the predicted cost of Alchemy Pay in 2027 is $1. According to the projection, 0.218. The predicted price for Alchemy Pay in 2028 is $0.306. Based on our research, the expected price for Alchemy Pay in 2029 is $0.439. According to projections, in the year 2030, The anticipated price for Alchemy Pay is estimated to be 0.67 for the dollar instability. The current price of Bitcoin will be influenced by the consequences of de-dollarization and China's concerns. The BTC-USD is down 0.25%, with a selling price of $2,625. In a world where the dollar is unstable, dollarization efforts face significant challenges that could affect Bitcoin prices. Even though China dislikes it, the dollar is still doing well. Despite what happened at the Jackson Hole Symposium, most experts believe that there will be no rate increases in 2023 and no rate cuts until March 2024. A market analyst at Dalifx named Zain Veda outlines how the recent instability of currencies in China influences dollarization and Bitcoin pricing. Russia and Argentina Hertz attempts to move away from the dollar trust is important because the USD has been the most stable, reliable and flexible currency since the gold standard. These countries have trouble keeping their currency stable, which makes it difficult to believe that they could join under a single currency to compete with the dollar. Before the meeting of the BRICS Economic Group, there are problems with the plan for a BRICS currency. The biggest problem with making the plan for a BRICS currency is that it is based on the dollar. BTC frequently performs well when there is financial upheaval and confusion, and despite China's disappointment, the dollar maintained its strong position at Jackson Hole because to predicted interest rate hikes. Today, the strength of the dollar is exerting downward pressure on Bitcoin prices, and all eyes are on the Jackson Hole conference, where people are discussing how the global economy is changing and how interest rates will be set. China's recent rate cuts and adjustments in its currency, the yuan, are exacerbating the situation. How much will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin is having difficulties right now because it is approaching support near the $30,000 mark, but it is remaining just above this level at around $30,050 on the daily time frame, where there is a bull ISH engulfing candle, indicating that a bull ISH trend may be on the way. Bitcoin is currently facing resistance at $350, however if it can break over this level, Bitcoin price predictions as $10 billion sends BTC up 1%, are whales buying? When Bitcoin goes up by 1%, people start to wonder if whales are involved, since BTC just got a huge $10 billion infusion. This rise in business interest is happening against a financial background that is very interesting. Jerome Powell recently hinted that if the US wants to do a good job of stopping inflation, it might have to raise interest rates again. A recent buy of BTC worth $3 billion that is said to have been made by Robinhood has also raised eyebrows. Many people think this is why Bitcoin's